Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Audrey, and on today's video, we are doing the Velour Fantasy nails. This is in the medium length. It is the sculpted nail with 28 nails inside. All right, if you are wanting to see how this looks, continue watching and make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. We have all of our nails set out. We have the glue and we have our file. I'm gonna go ahead and file my nails down. I love that this glue has the screw on. This is the screw on and screw off one. The other ones I really don't care for, but with this, there's no sticky. So I really think they are getting away from doing the sticky, you guys. So, and just doing the glue. Not sure if that's because of COVID and they don't have no supplies, or if people aren't using them, because I'm not using them and they really are just collecting. So, or it could just be for the more the different kinds, the velour and the bare but better. They did not have the stick-ons. So yeah, I'm gonna come back after I finish this. Well, I'm almost done, so. Almost done.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Sorry if you see the difference in the video, but I am going to filed down a little bit because it still had a little bit of the little tips. As you can see, you can't see. So I'm just going to file that down, the little tips that they usually have. Sometimes on the French nails. So with this, it's a clear but shimmery gloss on the nail. My hands are a little rough, so I will be right back. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. And this is the Velour Fantasy. It does not come with stick-ons, only the glue, the screw-on cap glue. But for some reason, they're very hard, as you've seen in the video. They're very hard. It's very hard to push the glue out. I had to push it several times. So, again, it is the Velour Fantasy by Kiss in the gray. And this is what it looks like in the medium length. All right, if you like this video, comment down below what you liked about the video. Also, comment down below if you want me to try any other collection from Kiss and or color, whatever color you want to see. If it looks good on your skin tone and we have the same skin tone, just let me know. Or if it's a long and you want to see how it looks, just let me know. Comment down below. Make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay sweet and maybe a little sour. Bye. Hey y'all, I just wanted to show you what they look like outside in a better lighting. This is the Velour Fantasy.
Up, fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up, hit that gym and get